Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is to write whether, or circle which one is larger, or, circle which one's larger, and then if the two match or are equal, just put an equal sign in between them. Alright? Okay, equal each other. Perfect. How do you know that 1/2 is bigger than 3/6?
Because, oh wait, they're equal.
They're equal? How do you know they're equal?
Because half of 6 is 3, and that's a half.
And that's a half? Perfect. Awesome. So it's a half, or it's equal. Awesome. Alright. How do you know 1 is larger than 4/3?
Because 4/3 is one block smaller than one whole.
Could you draw that for me real quick? How would you draw 4/3 and 1 whole?
Wait, 4/3? That one's bigger.
That one's bigger? How do you know that?
Because, that is 1 and 1/3.
1 and 1/3, whereas this is 1 whole, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. That's alright. Alright, so you're doing pretty good. So I'm going to ask you, what is larger, 0.7 or 1/7? Can you do that?
They're equal.
They're equal? Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do something a little different. You're going to estimate the sum of 9/10 plus 6/7. And you can choose between A, B, C, or D, or E. So if you could estimate the sum of these two fractions.
So, like if it was 1, would it be 1 for both of them, or 2, would it be 1 and 1?
The whole entire thing.
Okay, so.
And why did you get that?
Because you just have to make that go up 1, and that one go up 1, and then equals 2.
Perfect. That's awesome. Good job. Alright. Now, is 1/2 plus 1/2 more than 1 whole, less than a whole, or equal to a whole?
Equal.
Equal? Awesome. How do you know that?
Because, like with 3/6, if you add 3/6 plus 3/6, that equals 1 whole.
Is that because the numerator plus the numerator equals the denominator?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good thinking. Okay, now the next question. If 1/3 of the class is boys, are there more boys or girls in the class?
There are more girls.
How many more girls? Can you do that in front?
2/3.
2/3? Good job. That's impressive. Okay. If a pie is shared fairly among 3 people, how much would each person get? How much of the pie would each person get?
1 piece.
1 piece? How big is that 1 piece? If the pie is considered 1 whole, and you're sharing it among 3 people, what is the fraction?
1/3.
1/3? Okay. What if you had 4 people sharing the piece of pie?
It would be 1/4.
1/4? Okay. 5 people?
1/5.
Perfect. Okay. I'm going to ask you to draw this. But how many 1/2s are in 2 wholes?
4.
4? Can you draw that and show it to me? And is each circle considered a whole?
Yes.
Awesome. Great job. Alright, it's going to get tricky. Can you do 4 minus 1/8
No.
No? Can you try it? Can you draw 4 holes? You could even do it like this, like you did. Can you break those into eighths, like you're cutting a pizza? Alright, if you minus 1/8,
From every one of them, or just one of them?
just one of them because you're just minus 1/8 out of 4 holes.
That would be 3 7/8.
Good job! Can you write that down for me? Please. That's perfect. Alright. If you had 4 pizzas and you ate 1/8 of one pizza, how much pizza would be left?
3 7/8.
How do you know that?
Because so there's 4 whole pizzas, and you just take one piece out, and there's one pizza with 7 out of 8 pieces.
And then there's 3 that have been untouched?
Yes.
Great job. It's kind of like this answer, huh? It's exactly. Awesome. Now, how many 1/2s are in one hole?
Maybe 1/2.
Are in one hole?
2.
2? How many 1/3s are in one hole?
3.
How many 1/4s?
4.
Alright. How many 1/4s does it take to get to 1/2?
4.
Can you draw that for me?
Wait, so 4 when we get to one hole?
How many 1/4s does it take to get to 1/2?
Oh, 2.
2? Can you draw that?
Oh, wait. So just one side of it.
That's great. Perfect. Thank you, Tucker. And you're done.